Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So while you are in the setup of the Epic Games Launcher and it states that the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. Then here you can find this run new task, create new task. Click on that. So here we need to type this command siexec.exe. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on browse. Then here we need to browse for the location of the setup file. Now that should be in the downloads and commonly that will be in the downloads. So click on it. Click on this drop down arrow and choose all files. So here you can find the Epic installer. Click on that. Click on open. Click on OK and close the task manager. So here you have two options on what operation do you want to perform. We have repair and remove. Now we can go with repair. This will repair in the most recent installation by fixing missing and corrupt file shortcuts and registry entries. Click on that. Then click on the repair button. And let's just wait for this. Now once done, simply click on finish. Then right click at the start button, select File Explorer in the list of options. Click on this PC. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for Program Files x86. Double click. Then look for the Epic Games right here. Now if you find the Epic Games right here, what you can do, just simply make a right click and then select Delete. Now go back to Windows C drive, click on the program files. Now look for the Epic Games right here too. So once you find the Epic Games right here, what you can do, just simply also delete that. Okay, so once done, close this. Then we can temporarily disable the antivirus because this might block this setup or this might interrupt with the setup. So if you are using any of the third-party antivirus softwares like the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then click on the Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar. So here you can see that I am using the Malwarebytes. So what we can do, make a right-click, select Quit Malwarebytes. Also click on the Windows Security icon. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and you'll find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then let the setup continue. And once the setup has been successful and the application has been installed, then just also enable the real-time protection again because that is a very important security for your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.